Alright, so this is just a quick video on how to wire a limit switch. Um, this is just a basic limit switch got it from Automation Direct, and this is something you would use maybe on some machinery, CNC, kind of anything that you want to have some kind of digital output from a switch. So to wire this one came with bare leads, and it also came with an integrated LED, so that you could see when it was actuated, or I guess when the switch is turned on and off, so that you can see that was the LED that it came with. I went ahead and cut that off because one, I didn't need it, and two, I think I may have blown the LED by providing too much current. But regardless, I didn't need it, so I cut it off. So this one is a normally closed limit switch, which means there's basically just a switch or a circuit inside of here that opens and closes when this is contacted, this point. And if it's a normally closed, when this is contacted, it'll close the circuit. So you should see a 10 volt or whatever voltage you're supplying it. You should see that signal. Basically just like a light switch. And so in this case, I'm using an LED here to demonstrate when it's been contacted. So since it's normally open, the LED is normally off, and I've just got a resistor to limit the current that I'm sending it. And then in my case, this limit switch has a voltage range from 5 volts to 24 volts. So I'm just using an external power supply and supplying it 10 volts. And then, so I turn the power supply on, so then when I contact this, you should see the LED light up. If I hold it, it'll stay lit up. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. So then for my case, I need to feed that signal back into some kind of data acquisition system so I know when it's been contacted, and then I can use that for my control logic. So I've got just a multimeter here that I can turn on to measure DC current or DC voltage. Okay, set that to voltage, 2 decimal points, and then I can measure the voltage across the LED or anywhere in the circuit. So now when I contact that, Now when I close the circuit with the limit switch, you should see the voltage. So right now I'm measuring the voltage across the resistor, getting about 7 volts. So then I could, when that goes away, voltage goes away. So now I can feed that voltage into my data acquisition system and control the logic that I need to control. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like, and if you would like more like it, please subscribe. Thanks.